Welcome to our walkthrough about the user groups feature and how it's used in the KnowledgeCity Learning Management System. A powerful feature designed to simplify how administrators manage users and assign learning content efficiently. Let's begin with how to access user groups. Once you're logged into your KnowledgeCity LMS dashboard, navigate to the left-hand panel. Click on the User Groups option to go to the page. Here you'll see a list of all your existing groups, each organized by name, number of users, and subgroups. In the top right corner, you'll find the Create New Group button. Click this to build a new group. Here you can add the group name and also the parent group name if a subgroup is being created. Once a group has been created, you're redirected to the inner page of the group where you can manage settings. You can add new users, set assignments, and set access schedules for the group. Click on the Users tab inside a group to view all assigned users. Here you'll see key details like username, group affiliation, email, employer ID, course progress, license status, and joining date. You'll also have the option to remove users directly from this view. Use the search bar to quickly locate specific users, or use the license status filter to refine the list. Next, let's look at how to add users to a group. And you've got two ways to do it: copy users and move users. When you use copy users, you can add people to the current group while keeping them in their existing groups. Simply select users from the list on the left, click Add, and they'll appear on the right side. Need help finding someone? Use the search bar or filter by group using the drop-down. Once ready, click Copy Users to Group to finalize your selection. Now, if you prefer to move users, removing them from their previous groups and placing them only in this one, just click Move Users. Here you can select the users or change the group to view its users and move them. With your group members in place, it's time to manage their learning paths. Head to the Assignments tab to see all learning paths assigned to that group. Here you'll find key information like the learning path name, access period, due date, and recurrent status. Click on any learning path name for more details. You can also assign a new learning path by selecting Add Learning Path. After assigning content, don't forget to notify your users. Just click the envelope icon to send out a message. Next up is managing access schedules for the group. Click the Access Schedules tab and first select the appropriate time zone from the drop-down at the top. To create a new schedule, click Add Schedule on the right. From here, define the access by setting start and end days of the week, along with the specific times users should have access to content. Lastly, let's take a look at Group Settings. Click on the Settings tab to make adjustments. Here you can update the group name, assign a group manager from a drop-down list of users, and optionally assign a parent group. You can also set a limit on the number of students and define a training hour limit. You can also choose whether this group should be the default group for new users. Click on Save Changes to finalize. Need to remove the group? Just click the Remove Group icon in the bottom right corner. Need to find a specific group? Simply use the search bar at the top. To manage a group or make any changes, just click on the group name. By using the User Groups feature in KnowledgeCity LMS, administrators can ensure users are efficiently organized, assign the right training, and managed with ease, empowering streamlined learning across your organization. Thank you for watching.